my name is Muhammad Ridho Kurniawan, and this is my final project from the processing course. That and there's the this I made the CUDA image filtering using PyCUDA. Uh, this project applies to image filters using CUDA, running on the GPU instead of CPU, and prove that the GPU is significantly faster. Uh, Here I want to use uh, Gaussian blur using CUDA kernel and the Sobel edge detections. And later we gonna compare the GPU and CPU speed or time. And how CUDA work in this program is the CUDA code is written in C, passed a string to Python, compiled by NVIDIA compiler, and execute on the GPU. And here is we installing PyCUDA here because we need the library. And here is the to check the GPU to confirm if the GPU is available. And here we importing some of the library, and we uh, up upload the image here, or I mean load the image that we're gonna use or we're gonna process. Here is the image. We we uh, we make it to the grayscale. And here is the first CUDA kernels. Here is a Gaussian blur with shared memories. Uh, so the image is divided into 16 times 16 pixel tiles here. And each GPU block loads its tiles into shared memory. A fast cache on the GPU chip. Threads read from shared memory, not not slow the global memory, to compute the blur. And the result is each pixel is read from the global memory only once instead of key size square times, or much faster. And this is a CUDA kernel for the Gaussian blur with the shared memories that we compiled. And next, a kernel is Sobel edge detection. So each thread handles exactly one pixel, reads eight surrounding neighbors in 3 times 3 grid, computes horizontal gradient and vertical gradient using Sobel operator. Uh, and then here is the kernel for the Sobel edge detection. And then here we run and visualize the kernel. And this is the comparison of time between the GPU and CPU here for each image processing. And here is the output of the image. And then we going to uh, here is the benchmark or comparison between GPU versus CPU for various image size here. And this is the comparison here. So the speed up here is the CPU time divided by GPU times. And this is the benchmark visualization. We can see if the GPU is faster than the CPU, much faster. Then here's the comparison or the this exploration for the uh, sigma parameter here, the blur sigma. You can see. Okay, why is the GPU is faster than the CPU here? Because GPU doesn't process the pixel one by one. It processes all of them at the same time. That's why uh 20 I mean 2000 pixel image, 2000 time 2000 pixel image that takes uh 300 millisecond on CPU finish in just 12 millisecond on the GPU. And then that's all from me. Thank you for your attention.